Hey everyone, it's your reporter AIV. And if you thought I'd spend all my time just chilling my butt in deserts or jungles, oh, you're so wrong. Honestly, I wish I was chilling my butt somewhere warm. I can't even feel my legs. Winter fishing this year is something special. Surrounded by penguins. Just look at all that fish. Now guys, as you probably know, humans are strictly forbidden from interfering with penguin life. But hey, I'm not exactly human, am I? So let's get to know these fluffy fellas a bit closer. Whoa! Look at that egg! That thing's massive! Guys, are you sure that's yours? You're absolute units among penguins! How did you manage to grow something that big? And how are you gonna keep it warm? All right, let's waddle over to the next penguin crew. Yoo-hoo! And your eggs, guys, they kind of remind me of something, but I can't quite put my paw on it. Talk about extremes. Yoo-hoo! Sashimi among penguins? Perfection. You're so warm and squishy, buddy.